How to fix Google Keep Stopping error. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device firstly and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Scroll down and find the Google option there and tap on that. You will see the offload app option. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall it again. Offloading the app will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Doing this will free up storage used by the app. See if the app is fixed or not. Open App Store on your device if the app is still not fixed and search for Google. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. If it is still not fixed, tap hold on the Google application on your home screen. You will see the option for remove app. Tap on that and then in the pop-up that appears, tap on delete. Delete the app and reinstall the app again from your app store and by now your Google should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.